Let's do some MCQs in the chapter areas related to circles. So let's start with it. So a 3.5 meter chord subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center of the circle. So you have to find the arc length of the minor sector. So suppose you have got a circle and you have got a chord of 3.5 centimeter length, right? And this chord is subtending 60 degree at the center of the circle. This is subtending 60 degree, right? And these are radii of the circle. You know that radii of the circle are equal. Okay. Now over here guys, suppose this angle is x, this will also be x, right? Because angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So can we use angle sum property in this triangle? Can we say that 2x plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees? If you simplify this equation and solve it, you'll get x is equal to 60. So what does it mean? That this triangle is an equilateral triangle. So if it is an equilateral triangle, can't we say that the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter over here? So radius is 3.5 centimeter over here. Can we find the length of the minor arc? Length of the minor arc will be what? This is the minor arc. It is nothing but theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now theta over here is 60. So 60 degrees upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now radius over here we have got to be equal to 3.5 centimeter. So let's put over here. So this is 7 guys, just simplify. So this will give you 11 upon 3 which is equal to 3.67. I hope this question is clear to you. So let's see the next one. If the difference between the circumference and the radius of a circle is 37 centimeter, the circumference of the circle is difference between the circumference and the radius. Suppose radius is not given, suppose it is r. So difference between the circumference and the radius of the circle is 37 centimeter over here. So let's simplify it, that's it. If nothing is given, you have to take pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into r minus r, that is equal to 37 centimeter. So let's simplify, this will be 44 minus 7. So what is 44 minus 7? It is 37. So 37 r upon 7, that is equal to 37 centimeter. This will get cancelled out over here. So we can say that the radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter. So if the radius of the circle is equal to 7 centimeter, we have to find its circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 pi is 22 upon 7 if nothing is given, and r is 7 over here. So the circumference of the circle is 2 into 22, that is equal to 44 centimeter. I hope the question is clear to you. Let us take the next MCQ. If the area of a circle is equal to sum of the areas of the two circles of these diameters, then the diameter of the larger circle. So diameter of the larger circle, suppose you don't know its radius, so let us assume its radius to be r. So area of this circle, that is pi r square, is equal to the area of the circles of these diameters. So radius will be what? 5 plus pi into radius is 12. That's it. You can just simplify, take pi as common. Don't put the value of pi, it will waste your time. So take pi as common, it will get cancelled out over here. Now this is nothing but 25 plus 144. So that is equal to 169 and that is equal to 13 square. So you can say that the radius of the new circle over here or the larger circle is 13 centimeter. So what is the diameter of that circle? Diameter is 2 times of the radius. So that is 2 into 13 centimeter and you can say it is equal to 26 centimeter. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's take the next MCQ. If the area of a circle is numerically equal to twice of its circumference, so just put the formula, area of the circle is pi r square is equal to, see, although area and circumference can never be equal, those two quantities are not comparable at all. They are different things, but numerically they can be compared. So area is equal to 2 times of its circumference. 2 times of circumference is 2 pi r. So you can cancel pi over here. So can I say r square is equal to 4r? Now don't cancel r because it's a quadratic equation basically. So you can take r as common, so r minus 4 will be left over here. So can we not say two values of r is possible, that is 0 and 4. Now you see radius can never be equal to 0, this will be neglected. So therefore radius is equal to 4 units over here. So you have to find the diameter. So diameter is what? 2 times of radius, yes or no? So it is 2 into 4. So the diameter is 8 units. I hope it is clear to you guys. So let's take the next MCQ. If the diameter of a semicircular protractor is 14 centimeter, then you have to find its perimeter. So it's a semicircular protractor. So obviously it will be closed like this, guys. Its diameter is given to be equal to 14 centimeter. So its radius will be 7 centimeter, 7 and 7, right? So you have to find the perimeter. So perimeter of a semicircle will be this thing plus this thing you have to take. For a complete circle it is 2 pi r, yes or no? For a complete circle it is 2 pi r. So for half of it you have to take only pi r, yes or no? Only pi r you have to take. So its perimeter will be pi r, that is 22 upon 7 into r is 7, plus you have to include the diameter as well, because perimeter is length of the boundary. So you have to include 14 as well over here. So this is equal to 36 centimeter. I hope this question is clear to you. So that's all which we needed to do in MCQs in the chapter areas related to circles.